Into our newsroom. Within the last hour, the Moses Lake School District will remain closed tomorrow amid the ongoing teacher strike. The teachers union went on strike on Monday after they failed to reach an agreement with the district. The two sides still disagree on prep time and funding for educational programs. That disagreement now leading the district to take legal action against the teachers union. Today, we received copies of that lawsuit, and in it, the school district says the teachers strike is illegal. KREM 2's chief journalist, Amanda Rowley, has more context tonight and explains why the district is making this claim. Amanda?
In Washington state, public employees do not have a legally protected right to strike, which means the Moses Lake teachers strike is unlawful. There is no specific law that punishes teachers for participating in the strike, but the school district can take legal action to send them back to work.
How much longer will the Moses Lake teachers strike last? That may now be decided in court. Washington law explicitly says public employees like these don't have a protected right to strike or refuse their official duties. The state doesn't establish any specific penalties for teachers involved in an unlawful strike, but the courts can legally stop the strike through an order known as an injunction. That's the step Moses Lake School District took with its injunction filed this week.
I feel like it's a distraction from what is really important. What's really important is getting to the bargaining table and negotiating.
That's the Moses Lake Education Association reacting tonight. For the court to send these teachers back to work, the district must prove three things. They have a clear legal right at stake. There's a real immediate threat that this right is about to be violated, and that violation is already causing or will cause actual significant harm. Meantime, most school employees will face no pay consequences for refusing to work. That's according to the Washington Policy Center. The nonprofit says Washington law requires a 180-day school year. That means employees hired for those 180 days will still be paid for all of them, just on a different schedule. The Moses Lake Teachers Union says it won't be distracted by the lawsuit. And until the court's ruling,
we are going to stand strong on the line. This work stoppage is a common occurrence. And so we know what's important, and our students are important, and the educators of Moses Lake School District are important.
Now, a hearing for the injunction filed by the Moses Lake School District is set for next Tuesday afternoon. Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.